Welcome to the UC Santa Cruz Library. In this video, we will review how to use UC Library Search to find information. We start at the library homepage, library.ucsc.edu. The UC Library search box is the yellow box located in the middle of the screen. There are three different search options available with this box, indicated by the tabs along the top of the box. These are UC Library Search, Course Reserves, and Databases. For this video, we will be focusing on UC Library Search. This is the default option, and it searches all of the items available in the library, both digital items such as journal articles or ebooks, and items available in person at a library location, such as a book or a government publication. Let's say I'm researching how poverty impacts the rate of recidivism, which is the likelihood that an offender will commit another offense. I can start by typing my keywords into the search box, poverty and recidivism. Then, click the dark blue button to the right that says Search. Usually, searches will have thousands, sometimes even millions of hits. If you scan the first 1 to 2 pages of results, you can get a general idea of how you may need to refine your search to find relevant information. While you can try different keywords or modifiers, you can also make use of the Filters menu on the left-hand side of the results list. The filter category Show Only is where many students refine their search to only peer-reviewed journal articles or items available online. Publication date is another commonly used filter. If I decide I wanted to research a link between poverty and recidivism in the 90s, I could adjust the dates of publication for my search to start in 1992 and end in the early 2000s. Then I click Refine. Another commonly used category is Resource Type. You can use this category to filter your results to only articles, newspaper articles, books, and dissertations along with several other categories. For example, if you're looking for data specifically, you can use the Datasets option to refine your search. My results are now down to only 5. Keep track of which filters you're applying and what kind of results you're getting. Sometimes you can get further away from the focus of your research question, and keeping track of the filters can help you figure out where you may have limited your search too much, or if you just need to go back and change your search terms altogether. Now let's go ahead and open one of the results. This is an academic journal article, and I can see that it's both available online and as a physical copy in the McHenry Library. On the right-hand side is a list of suggested articles as well. Under View Online, there are several links to access the article. Once I click on a link, I will be prompted to sign into my library account. Once I'm all set, I will now have full access to the article. You can also click on Download PDF to download the article to your personal device. If you scroll down to the Send To section, you'll find an option for a permalink. I recommend that if you want to save links to articles, use the permalink as it is a stable URL. You also have the option to email or print the article, as well as a QR code option, which you can scan to bring up the article on your phone. A citation tool is also available. Make sure you've chosen the correct citation style for your project and always double-check citations, as these are not always accurate. Now let's say you're looking for a physical book. Once you select a result, scroll to Get It, where you will see where the item is located within the library. A copy of this item can be found on the 4th floor of the McHenry Library. The combination of letters and numbers listed is called a call number. Each row of bookcases in the library is labeled to indicate which combinations of letters and numbers are located in that row. Each row usually covers a wide range of call numbers. It is best to write down the title of the item and the call number to help you locate the book on the shelves. You can always ask the front desk for assistance. Now you are ready to start using Library Search. To get research help, you can email a librarian or book a one-on-one Zoom appointment by going to library.ucsc.edu/ask.